With 2 operating collieries in its asset base, JSE-listed Keaton Energy wants to move aggressively to bring online its Koudelager and Braakfontein projects in the northern KwaZulu-Natal coalfields. Having recently acquired Leeu Mining and Exploration's Volkrans anthracite colliery near Vryheid, the company says the 7-year-old coal washing plant would outlast the remaining 8 years' life of the Volkrans mine, necessitating the miner to look for additional coal resources to feed the plant with. Keaton Energy MD Paul Miller believes that there is significant value locked in the price of anthracite.
Importantly, not all anthracite is the same, just as not all coal is the same. Many smelters are sensitive to the amount of sulfur in the anthracite. We are lucky here in that we have amongst the lowest sulfur anthracite in SA, running at about 0.7 now. And that gives us a real advantage in the South African market. There are quite a few anthracite producers who are in the sort of 2% range, and that's not attractive to some smelter operators. Demand for anthracite is absolutely increasing, particularly as a substitute for coking coal. And we've seen, for example, some ferromanganese and silicon manganese smelters actually change from using a combination of 5-seam and thermal coal to moving to anthracite. It is a specialist niche market. We're supplying a metallurgical reductant here. South Africa has a huge installed base of smelters, and they are being hammered with electricity price increases. So they're looking for ways to save costs, and of course all the ancillary material like the reductants are part of that. We produce a premium anthracite here, particularly from the Gus seam. That goes into the domestic market. You get the best prices putting it on a truck. The middling product, the higher ash product, is what's exported. We get a lower price. So it's the opposite of thermal coal for anthracite.
The Volkrans colliery is the last remaining substantial miner in the Vryheid district, following more than a century of intensive coal mining activity in the area.
Look, ideally, we would like to have the plant and the narrow seam mining equipment that makes us the only go-to guys in the district for any resource. We can mine stuff in the district that will not be economic for anyone else to do. And that's not only because we have the plant, the residue facility, the market, the siding, the quattro allocation, participation, but also we have these old guys in the mines. Have you noticed quite a few of the guys are in their 40s and 50s. They're not unskilled workers, you know, and that's a valuable resource for us too. We also have the only workshops. We've got engineering foremen and artisans and electricians and things working in the district. So there really is a bigger business around keeping, and we have an obligation to try to keep mining alive in the Vryheid district.